The selected business for this assignment is a liquor store named as Super Liquor and situated in a small town known as Winton. Super Liquor is a well known franchisee which deals in selling alcohol products to the consumers, and it is quite famous all over the New Zealand. The store is situated in the middle of a busy market and opposite to the highway which leads to Queenstown and Invercargill. The address is 232 Great North Road, Winton. The location of the store is perfect as it is situated on the middle of the busy market which is visible and accessible to a lot of people. Now let's talk about some positive points which store took to improve the business, to tackle the risk and to grow the business. Layout was an important part for the store to concentrate on, and store took effective decisions and did a lot of work on the layout, which drives in a lot of consumers at this moment. They worked on correct shelvings of the products. They managed their POS system, which is very fast and effective now for the consumers to pay. And they have separated the different sections of products, like the RTD section is different, the BA section is different, spirits and wine are different. It makes easy for the people to decide and choose a good product and quickly get the product and buy it. So the layout system is very effective now and it drives in a lot of consumers for the store. Next factor was a big risk for the business, and that's competitors. Store is surrounded by 3 other liquor sellers, and this makes more difficult for the store to compete as everyone sells the same products at the same prices. So the store worked effectively on the pricing of the products and delivering a wide range of products to the consumers. Alcohol industry is spreading quite fast and people want to try new products. So the manager took effective decisions and he managed on getting a lot of products of alcohol which people liked, and this drove in a lot of consumers. He also focused on the pricing of the product and slightly reduced it, which also worked very well to drive in a lot of consumers. These steps helped to compete with the competitors. Even a small amount of change in the price brings in a lot of consumers. So if you focus on the products range, you can see they have increased a lot of varieties. This is the wine section I'm currently in. This is the white wine. So if you go around, then you see the red wine section in here and the sparkling in here. So they have increased a lot of products and this helped them to stay ahead in the game of competition. This is the spirit section. So this worked really well, and all these steps help to overcome and compete in the competition. Other problem was with the suppliers, as they used to argue and create a lot of problems while delivering the products. So the store took effective decisions. They contacted the company, the suppliers headquarters, and complained about the situation. The management of the supplying company took effective decisions and paid a lot of attention on the suppliers, and which resolved all the problems. Plus, the manager took the insurance policy regarding the products and it covered everything in case if something is damaged. So the management analyzed all the situations, the issues which they are facing, and what steps they can be taken by them to overcome those risks or to stay ahead in the game of alcohol industry in the Winton. So all these steps worked really well. Other important factor was staff, theft by the staff or frauds or laziness. All these aspects were very important to be solved. So the owner of the store took really good steps to solve this problem. He managed the management, he trained the employees, he hired potential employees with a good experience. So there were less problems in this case. CCTV cameras were operated, the till was managed by the manager, reports were matched, staff was noticed all the time. So all these steps helped out in tackling the issue of the staff and related problems. Now the workforce is working really hard. They have increased the sale by 15%, which is a very big number, and all these strategies help them to grow their business and compete in the society, in the market of alcohol products. There was some external risk as well, like the seasonal risk, and this risk was a good opportunity for the business. So the owner, the management took really good steps. Like they focused on advertising the stuff which people like to drink in winter, like wine, red wine, spirits, and port. So all this stuff they used marketing, and this drove up their sale in the seasonal risk. So all these outcomes shows that the business is doing really well after taking careful consideration regarding the issues and problems faced by the store. I hope you liked my presentation and gained a good knowledge from it. Thank you.